Hi everyone, now I am going to show you what pre-built templates you are going to get with RGHL. So here's first a funnel, client acquisition onboarding, then talent acquisition onboarding. Okay, so let's explore this client acquisition. Here you will get appointment funnel, client onboarding funnel, then travel agency. Okay, so yeah, let's go to appointment funnel. So here you gonna have a opt-in page, DSL page, book up call page, thank you page. So there is a template for each page. Just add your resources, photos, or headlines, sub headlines, whatever it is. Just customize it according to your need, and it's ready to use it. Yeah, it's not much advanced, but yeah, it's revealed. Let me show you this as well. So you just attach your videos, schedule a call CTA, your headline, testimonial. So just add your all your resources and it's ready to use. Okay. So yeah, let's explore other. So here is going to client onboarding funnel, welcome, intake form, onboarding call, account access, completion. So all these are your pages here of funnels. Just customize it and use it according to your needs. Here's a travel agency. So if you have, then you can use it. So let's go back. And here is talent acquisition funnel, like application VSL, thank you page. So that's so yeah. Let's go to what we are providing in automation. Is booked appointment, then client fulfillment, then follow-up call booking sequences, lead nurturing. In lead nurturing, you're gonna get 10-week lead nurturing sequences like this, like 1 day, 7 day, then so it's going to be around 10 for within 10 weeks. Okay, so yeah, 7 day lead nurturing, 7 day SMS lead nurturing. So yeah, there are a lot of those. And if you go to booked appointment, then always like if someone booked appointment, then for that there is going to be a nurturing automation. Then if the appointment got cancelled, then there is automation for that. And if they don't show up in the meeting, then there is automation for that as well. Yeah. So you're gonna get booked appointment, then client fulfillment, then lead nurturing, and then also sequences as well. And yeah, that's it. So there is going to be 3 to 4 or I think 5 pre-built workflow automations. Okay.